Mike, let's share your screen. I knew this was risky. And can you make that full screen? It is, okay. And show me the wiki that you were working in. You can put that zoom on the bottom if you want. Okay, so did you, okay, okay. So let's go back to design, right? And search for annotation, or annotator, I think it is. I think it's annotator. Yeah, there it is, that right there on top, annotator, yeah. And so those are the tiddlers you're looking for. Okay, so you can go to advanced search, which is the magnifying glass to the right of the search button. Yep. And click on filter. And you're looking for all the things that are tagged annotator. No, you gotta filter them first. So you don't want to do that. I mean, you do, but yeah. And the expression is open square bracket tag open square bracket annotator double squares. So open square tag open square and close it with 2 squares. Okay, so that's I think it's capital A. Okay, so that's got your 28 matches. So export them on the export button. Yep. And save it as a JSON. Okay, and now go to yours and import. That works too. And click import. And now search on click on SA8 towards the tabular text. You've got it right, yep, right there. Okay, and that worked, and click on 8.1 and create a new annotation of 8.1. Right up in the toolbar to the top, it says new annotation of 8.1. Yeah. And so give it a title. Eight point one is fine, yep. And put some text in there. Okay, and save it. And if you set your, why can't I remember the word today? The view, screen view, what's it called? Story view. Set your story view to zoom in, which is on the toolbar, and then story view. You got a bunch of tools visible there. Home, close all, fold all, unfold, perma view, new. All the way down there is story view. About 3/4 of the list down. It's in your, yep, right there. Story view, set that to zoom in. You can bring it out, yep, and then click it above, either way. Set it to zoom in, yeah. And now close 8.1 and takes you, and now it's listed there. Okay, so to review so that worked. Yeah. So stop sharing your screen. Chris, are you in the meeting? Andrew, are you? Yeah. Okay. So Mike, you go away. Andrew, you come. You have to stop your share, Mike. Otherwise, yeah, there it is. You found it. Thanks. Yeah. So you've got yours working, it seems. So click on 8.1 or 8 anything. Yep. Okay. So you got it. It works. You were skeptical.
I was.
Okay. Marguerite, is yours working? It works. Meg, Chris, did you get yours to work? Mike, no? So go ahead and share your screen. You can go away, Andrew. I like being able to tell students go away. Marcus, is yours working? Okay, good. Michael, are you in the meeting? Working, okay. Oh, yeah, to this, yeah. Yep. Okay. I did something to the templates. I don't know what I did. I temporarily broke it. It's kind of works now. It just is not displaying the essay title. But if you can go back and you can go back to DesignWrite and do the same export with the same filter of annotator, you'll have essay 8 and essay 15. And those are the two I wanted you to work on. And those are plenty to work on. And I will add some additional direction. But you can do this yourself. If you use those, if you add tags to your annotations, linking, tagging, transcoding, listing, and templating, think about, well, what could you do with Tiddler's tag that? You're going to create a tiddler called linking, a tiddler called tagging, a tiddler called transcluding, and you can list your annotations there. And Michael, are you coming? Yeah. Share your screen. You can stop your video. That's just sucking up bandwidth. Oh, I can stop my video. That's what I meant to say. You see the share screen button? Big green. Yeah, thanks. Okay, so you've got, so you want to go to DesignWrite. Did you do did the export and the import? Pardon? I don't see that you imported the tiddlers. So go to, where? Yeah, but he doesn't have, oh, maybe they work. So click on essay 8. Yeah, you don't want to drag when you want to drag it to the gray spot. You only, I think what you did is, I know what you did. Go back to DesignWrite. So, and search for, go to advanced search. Yeah, you can't do one tiddler. You have to go to advanced search, which is the magnifying glass to the right of the search bar. There you go. And click on filter. And you want to look for, you want to filter on tag annotator. But you need the word tag. You were right with the square bracket, though. Single square bracket, lowercase tag, because field names have lower cases. And then a square bracket annotator, double squares, and it should give you 28. Export to JSON. No. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, and now import that file to your wiki. And drag it into the gray. Yep, that's fine. Yeah, now you got them all. So now import one more time. Wait, yeah, no, you didn't do it. Close this. Do it and do the import again. There you go. Click the import button. There you go. Now click on essay 8. Okay, now let's read a paragraph. And you should have an annotate button, and you do. So now you can click new to annotation. Yep. And that works. Okay, so I will add those additional essays as soon as I get them, and should be good to go. Michael, you want to learn how to do something else in front of everybody? No? Okay, so Chris, are you in the meeting? Nah, I don't think so. I think you'll be fine. But go ahead, Chris, you want to join the meeting? And oh, I'm going to not complain. I'm not even going to say anything. It's beautiful. Go to Design Right and search for Appear, Appear, in the advanced search. And do this under Shadows, I think, or System. Shadows, try System. Yeah. So see the $ plugins, Toby Beer, I think that's the guy's name. Drag that, close that. Drag the Toby Beer Appear into yours. Yeah. Okay, and import it. Okay. And what that's going to do is give Chris now or anybody else this ability to use the Appear. And every time in Design Right, you see those little arrows, you click on it, more text appears. That's Appear. So it's a plugin. And I'm going to see if some of you would do it. How would you do this? Like, why would you want to do this in this assignment? What would it look like? Yeah, then.
To make sure to make paragraphs themselves shorter, and if you want.
You could do that in the paragraph template. That's pretty funky. Yeah, you could make the text field appear. I was thinking maybe in the tiddler called linking, which is going to list all your annotations that have the tag linking and the tag annotation. You might want to just reveal the title of your annotation and then put Appear and reveal the text. So you have a list of all your annotations, you click the Appear button, and the annotation shows up. So it comes and goes, comes and goes, comes and goes. And that's kind of cool. That's like you're writing a notebook for yourself, for me, but for yourself about different ideas. Okay? So you can go ahead and use Appear if you'd like, and you're now moving into the step, you're writing an essay about hypertext. Right now you're taking notes. But you're along the way building an interactive text, primarily for yourself as your own note-taking tool. And that's a kind of I like that. So let me stop there. You will see, like I said, you'll see essay 15 show up. You'll see some directions that kind of cover all these ideas show up. And I'll look for stuff on Sunday. Oh, wait, I got one more thing I wanted to show you. Chris, I know you hate creating new wikis. But could you create a new wiki in TiddlyWiki 5? Go to tiddlywiki5.tiddlyspot.com. Yeah, you got it. And create a new wiki called SUNY Poly Coppola critique. And copy that because that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Copy that because you need it 3 times. Give it your dumb password. Click to create and go through the process. Oh, is yours the one that that doesn't always work, right? That's why you don't do it? That's what, oh, it worked. Okay, yeah, so I'm glad you figured that out. Okay, and now go back to Design Right. Oh, I'm sorry, finish this up. I'm sorry, yeah, I forgot that there's this last step. Here. Okay, go back to Design Right. Let's look at under exercise do 3.03 and click on Show Submissions and Comments. Oh, there aren't any, so go back to 3.02. See, we're looking for one. No, maybe I haven't imported them, so maybe it's on 301. Yeah. Let's pick Ben's wiki. Let's click on the wiki. Okay. And so now you're on Ben's wiki, but what I'm going to be asking you to do is to start making comments on other people's stuff. So the way you do that is go to Advanced Search and Filter and clear your filter. And we want to filter on bracket all, single bracket, lowercase all, open, close, square brackets, and double, and now close. Okay, so this is going to give all of his tiddlers. Okay, you can export it as a JSON. Go to yours and import it. And now you've got all of his, and click import. And it's close, almost there. And click on your control panel. And what you need to do is reset the name to yours on Wikiname. So which is a paste. Still should be in your buffer. And reset the password to your password. And save it. Yeah. Okay, so now let's see if it works. Username and password don't match. Pretty close. Hit OK. Back to control panel. You got the right password in?
Yeah, but it probably changed to
Oh, go to info. Change your username, yeah, to here. And save it. And now see if it will save. And it did. Okay, so that's a, and I'll write that up, but I just want to make sure that worked. That's a way to now basically make a copy of somebody else's wiki, and now Chris can critique Ben's by doing whatever he wants to it. He can add tags to it, he can write comments on it, he can find examples of Ben's code, and I just wanted to show you that. I'll write out a set of instructions, and I wanted to show you that all, open, close, close, which is really easy way if you wanted to bring all of your current wikis in. It gets a little funky, as you saw as Chris was doing it with, you know, with having to reset the name and the password, but it's a way to do it. Yeah.
You wanted the test functionality of one of your wikis, and you have something that would overwrite and it would come into the button. You don't want to save that and it for all the other things.
Explain the use case again.
So basically, I have a button.
Yeah.
And the way the button works is the value of one of the fields that we have in the button. But I wanted to keep the default value so that every time I test it, it stays at the default value instead of having to alter it. So, but if it doesn't save, then it will keep it that way.
So Chris, while we're here, go to control panel and saving.
Hey,
Do not save changes automatically. So yeah, so then,
check out the control panel.
yeah, so that, I think that's the answer to your question. So then you have, don't forget to manually save it when you're done. Can you do that? Do not save changes automatically? Does it allow you? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think that's the answer to your question. Thanks. I'm hoping to catch up on the critiques and stuff. And then, like I said, so the assignment for the bibliographic exploration is to work on those two essays and kind of explore the idea of using the, what did Steve call it? T3L2?
Full house.
The full house. Use the full house set of tags to see what you can make sense of with those two essays. And we'll we'll bring the Explorer. We'll review where we are on Tuesday. There'll be directions on DesignWrite when I write them. Yeah, which will be real soon. Okay, see ya.